Recently, somebody asked me, they said, "Do you think you have psychic abilities?" I said, I really don't know. So they said, "Well, let me ask you, did you ever have a feeling of like a spider web brushing against the side of your face and there's no spider web there? You have a heightened peripheral vision where out of the corner of your eye you see some movement, but there's nothing that moved there? Do you dream of spirits or past loved ones? When you're sitting in a room and there's a temperature fluctuation, but the AC didn't turn on and the heat's not on, it just all of a sudden got hot or cold in here. The sensing of a vibration of a room. You walk into a room and there's people in there and you just get a feeling that maybe I should go somewhere else. you know? Random memory pop-ups of loved ones that are no longer here or somewhere else on the planet. Strange lights, flecks, spots, just a glow or an aura or like a vanishing point. I see vanishing points. What's that smell? You ever sit there and all of a sudden you smelled something and it's like, but nothing, it has nothing to do with this room. I smell brownies. Where brownies come from? Fourth dimensional dreams that are very, very real. Who's there? Have you ever thought that there was somebody in the other room, or you entered your apartment and you had to go turn on all the lights because it sensed like somebody was there, but there's nobody there? This is a sense that happens often to me. Do you sense danger from loved ones who are no longer around? Do you feel like maybe I should call them? Do you get a sense from objects that there's some sort of history with it? A person once said to me, when you pick up a rock and throw it against another rock, that rock remembers. It remembers the energy of the impact. Can you sense that? I'm not sure. Some of these things, yeah. And some of them can be just, I can write them off as to, something that it just happens. It's my mind playing with me. But what creates the thoughts? So, you can go around about this. Ability to see with discernment, to see in the dark, the ability to see what kind of spirits operate or what kind of possessions have a feeling to them. These are things that people say you have a psychic ability. I'd be curious to hear about yours. Do you have any of these things happen to you? Do you have any of these things that you can't explain that seem like something happened here, but I'm not sure what it is? Leave a comment. This group, Redesigned Empire, the word psychic means of the soul. And Redesigned Empire is a group of people who are of the soul. So maybe this is a group of psychics, I don't know. But, in one sense or another, they just go beyond and they help me. And I'd introduce you if you want, but I'd like to hear what you feel about psychic ability. It's something that I'm constantly wondering, and your input would be helpful to me. Thank you.